Hey everyone, I'm Monica. I am the mastermind behind the scenes of Extraordinary Vacations. I've decided to give you more of a behind the scenes kind of post for YouTube. More like a becoming a content creator. My family and I moved down to Florida, Orlando, in July, and it's now March. Actually, this time last year, we were down here for vacation, not knowing we were actually going to move here 4 months later. Here we are. I'm a travel agent. I have been since 2022, but now being down here, I've been doing a lot more posting to YouTube, cruise, tours, hotel tours, Disney, whatnot. And so I'm going to post more of like what it's like behind the scenes, what goes on. I have a lot of opportunities for content coming up, so I thought now would be a good time to show you guys what it's all about. I'm like nobody. I'm like so tiny creator, but it's really starting to grow. And my videos have always been authentic, descriptive. My goal is to become a content creator here, to become someone trusted in the industry. I want to be someone that people go to when they need true factual information, and they come to me knowing that I'm going to provide that and give good tours on YouTube. My goal isn't to become like super famous or anything. I just want to make some money for my family and I. I've always carved my own path, and this is the next step for me, I think. So if you're curious about becoming a content creator, this could be quite a ride. This could be kind of fun to watch. Maybe, I don't know, I could fail and fall on my face. Who knows? My two main modes of socials are YouTube and TikTok. I do have a Facebook and Instagram, but honestly, like the past whatever years, it's just been so negative over there and everybody's so mad. So I just kind of stay away from it. It's March 26, 2025. On YouTube, I have 487 subscribers, and actually just within the past week, I got 32, so that's probably my biggest week so far. And on TikTok, I have 5,974 followers. I also do a lot of digital travel guides, digital planners, go with all the videos that I post. I think the reason I know I'm on the right track is because people are commenting, thank you so much for this video, it helped us plan our vacation. This person said, thank you for this, we're staying there in June. That was for my Waldorf Astoria video. I think I'm gonna stop it there for that first video. Or tomorrow, the next video, I guess, after this will be, I got invited to go tour the Stella Nova. Actually, next month, we have a cruise coming up, just my husband and I. Thanks for following along. If you have any questions, post them below.